up, guys? Patronn here, Brooklyn Mitsubishi, and we here at Hustle and Grind in Orlando, okay, at the GM house. And this is basically how we live, you know? We live, kid.
Barbecue.
This is how we roll.
Barbecue
Neon's in the
time.
house.
Barbecue time.
Mr. Neon himself is in the house. So, just out here, you know, basically getting ready to go to the conference, and you know, basically we're gonna, you know, make it happen today. So, take a look at this beautiful place over here. You know what I'm saying? You can have the same thing too. You guys got to attend to these conferences, guys. You learn so much from it. You meet so many people when you come out here. All the GMs, the best of the best in the business is out here. So this is what it's about: meeting the people that, you know, that are doing good things, doing better than you, and you're always willing to learn at the same time. So this is how we roll. We get down here in Orlando. Shout out to Sean and Glenn Lundy for putting this together, of course, and I wouldn't miss it for the world, man. So.